This is Fractions, Year 3 and 4, Day 5. Today we're going to be finding fractions of an amount. Let's have a look at the first question. We are asked to find a quarter of Lackey's goldfish. To help you organise your thinking, we've divided the goldfish into equal groups. And because we're finding a quarter, we're going to split them into 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once they've been splitted, you can see there are 2 goldfish in each group. Therefore, a quarter of the goldfish is worth 2. Just double check our answers. Yep, we were correct. For this question, we're going to be finding a fifth of the marbles. So if we're finding a fifth, we need to divide them into groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 equal groups. When we look at each of the groups, we can see there are 4 marbles in each group. Therefore, a fifth of the marbles is worth 4. Again, a quick double check of the answers. Brilliant. We can also show this using a bar method. So Rosie has used the bar model with counters to find the answer a third of 12. So she used the rectangle. She split it into 3 equal sections because we're dividing by a third. And then she placed the number of counters into each one equally, showing us that we have 4 in one group. Take a pause in the video and have a go at some of the following questions. Remember, if you're finding a third of a number, you're going to divide by 3. If you're finding a sixth of a number, you're going to divide by 6. If you're finding a fifth of a number, you're going to divide by 5. And if you're going to find a half of a number, you're going to divide by 2. Trying this one now. Tia has used the bar model with counters to find the answer to 2/3 of 12. So again, we are finding thirds of numbers. Therefore, we need 3 sections of our rectangle. 1, 2, 3. Then 12 is shared out equally into those sections. And because we want to find 2/3 of the number, we add up the amount we find in 2 of the sections. You're going to have a go as well. Let me just help you with the first one. If you're going to find 3/7 of a number, the rectangle has to have 7 equal groups. Once you've shared 14 out equally, you then need to add up how many is in 3 of those groups. Take a pause and have a go at these questions. So hopefully you would have got the same answers as here. For the first one, 14 has been shared into 7 equal groups. Then 3 of those groups have been added together to make 6. For the next one, 18 has been divided into 6 equal groups, and 4 of those groups have been added together, which makes 12. For this one, 10 has been shared into 5 equal groups, and we're adding up how many for 3, which is 6. And lastly, 20 has been shared by 10 groups, and we want to find out how many are 7, which is 14. Let's try this question together. 2 giraffes are eating pears off a tree. There are 12 pears. The taller giraffe ate 2/3 of the pears. How many pears were left for the shorter giraffe to eat? Well, if the taller giraffe ate 2/3 of the pears, then the shorter giraffe will eat 1/3 of pears. Can you now work out what 1/3 of 12 is? Take a pause. So here we go. 1/3 of the pears will be left for the orange giraffe, the shorter one. So 12 is shared into 3 equal groups, and we know that there are 4 pears here. So 1/3 is 4. Now have a go at the worksheet for today.